Hi there. As a child, my father told me stories of how when he was my age and unlike me, he walked to school every day, 5 kilometers uphill in the snow. An amazing accomplishment considering the fact that he and I were both born and raised in Lagos, Nigeria. But his point was my generation was spoiled, privileged, and lazy. We are making similar accusations of this generation and the next one. Here's what I know. Every generation, every person for that matter, is different and has different needs. When you think of the advancement in technology, as great as it is diminished into personal skills. Add all these components together and the fact that we have more people working remotely today places a huge amount of pressure on management. Today's manager needs help. They need to be equipped with a plethora of leadership tools and know how to use them successfully to get the best out of their people. When people quit, and keep in mind some of them quit and stay, it hurts your bottom line. In 2018, Jeff Weiner, the CEO of LinkedIn, said that he believed the biggest skills gap in the US workplace was soft skills. My name is Wale Aka-Bashorun. I am the Managing Director of PTL Development. We are a soft skills learning and development firm whose primary focus is to help you maximize your human capital. Visit us at www.ptldev.com. That's PTLDEV for a complimentary consultation, as well as discounts on our face-to-face and virtual services. Contact us today for better leadership and ultimately better business results.